Pause. I want you to imagine this. You take $100 today, not $1,000, not $10,000, $100. And in the next few months or years, you turn it into $10,000. Most people think that's impossible, but here's the thing, it's not. And I'm about to show you exactly how this portfolio blueprint actually works, the one that almost nobody talks about. Stick around, because by habit number 3, I'm going to reveal the secret most investors miss that can cost them thousands. I've spent years testing strategies that promise huge returns but fail. Stocks, ETFs, crypto, real estate. Some work, some are scams, some destroy your confidence. Here's the truth. It's not about finding the perfect stock. It's about how you structure your money, how you make compounding predictable, and how to avoid common mistakes that eat your gains. I've personally used this blueprint to grow small amounts of money into serious wealth, and today you get the same roadmap. Meet Alex. He had $100 and zero investing experience. He followed the blueprint step by step. No luck, no insider tips, just discipline and structure. 2 years later, $100 to $10,000. But here's what almost destroyed him in month 3. If you make this one mistake, your portfolio could collapse before it even starts.
You start small. $100 is perfect. Why? Because risk is low, learning curve is manageable, and momentum builds confidence. Most people wait to have enough money to invest. Here's the secret. The earlier you start, the faster compounding works for you. Later, I'll show how Alex turned $500 into $5,000 without touching a single penny again. Micro portfolios aren't about putting everything in one stock. They're about smart allocation. 50% growth-focused assets, 30% stable dividend generators, 20% speculative or high-risk, high-reward. Stop imagining you'll get rich quick. That's gambling. Alex almost lost $100 on a hype coin, but diversification saved him. I'll reveal the specific assets Alex chose that doubled in under 6 months later in the video. Here's where 99% of beginners fail: inconsistency. You can have the perfect portfolio, but if you don't feed it regularly, it dies. By habit number 4, you'll see why people with more money grow slower than someone starting with $100. Alex made gains. He didn't cash out. Cashing out early is the #1 mistake that keeps small investors poor. Every dollar that sits idle is money your portfolio could have earned.
High gains feel good. Losing feels terrible. Month 6, Alex's portfolio dropped 15% overnight. Panic? Almost. He survived because he never risked more than he could afford. If you ignore risk, your $100 could vanish faster than you think. Tracking is simple but overlooked. The mind doesn't value what it can't see. Here's the golden rule. Compounding is silent but deadly, in a good way. Most people sell too early. Alex waited. Patience turned $500 into $5,000 in months. Investing is 80% psychology. Fear plus greed destroys portfolios faster than bad picks. Alex almost sold when his portfolio dipped. He remembered, losses are temporary. Discipline is permanent. Imagine 2 people with $100 today. One spends it on short-term thrills. The other follows a blueprint, step-by-step, disciplined, patient. Fast forward, lives look nothing alike. This isn't theory. I've tested it personally. Thousands of viewers have applied it. Which 100 are you investing today? The one that disappears or the one that grows into $10,000? If this opened your eyes, subscribe now, because in the next video, we're breaking down how to turn $10,000 into $100,000 using the same principles.